Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck in your 20s? In this video, I'm going to be sharing some game-changing strategies that will help you actually make more money and unlock financial freedom. So if you're ready to take back control of your finances, then watch till the end. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, hey there, my name is Benny and I am a business coach. On this channel, I create business and productivity content to help you unlock financial freedom and manage your time. So this video is a no BS step-by-step process. And to prove that to you, I'm going to be revealing my best kept secret and my business model for how I personally make more money on my journey towards financial freedom. So my business model is basically a hybrid business model. And the first step in my hybrid business model is creating active income. So I'm assuming you have a job or you're a freelancer, but you have some sort of income. Creating active income would entail that you start a side business outside of work hours where you offer some sort of service, whether it is coaching services or consulting services for whatever niche that you find yourself in, leveraging a skill or skills that you have developed for at least 6 months. The reason the first step is about developing active income is because when you're starting off any side business or when you're trying to make more money, the easiest entry point is working with people one-on-one. At this point, you're basically selling your time for money. However, the time that you are selling is predicated or dependent on how much time you have to sell. So basically, you're in control of how much of your time you give away and how much money you get in return for the amount of time that you're giving away. You have created or developed active income. So moving on to the next step in my hybrid business model. At this point, you start developing some sort of passive income because you've already gained some experience from actively coaching or consulting or providing a service in your niche. You can pull from that experience to start creating digital products to sell. Now, this is where the money starts pouring in. But a lot of people try to start with this step, and it's a huge mistake starting with this step because if you do not have experience with some sort of active income in your niche, then you may struggle to promote or sell that product. Guys, passive income is first active before it is passive. A lot of people want passive income. Oh my God, I just want to chill and make money in my sleep. Not realizing that if you do not have some sort of experience from your active income, it will be challenging to create an effective digital product to sell. Examples of digital products that you can create to develop your passive income or to unlock passive income are ebooks, programs, memberships, templates, courses, and so on and so forth. Personally, I think this is the easy part because once you've had experience with rendering a service, it is so much easier to create a product out of the service that you're rendering. Now, moving on to the third step in my hybrid business model. Once you have created your digital product, guess what? You have your stream of active income, you have your stream or your streams of passive income. At this point, you are now in demand. People want to work with you, and that puts you in a position of power because now you have the social proof to start charging higher for your coaching and consulting services. So for example, let's say when you started this journey, you were charging $10 for the services that you were rendering. Once you're done creating your digital product and passive income starts flowing in, you can increase your service fee to $100 because at this point, if someone wants you to sell your time for you to work with them, you have the upper hand. So yeah, this is my best kept secret when it comes to increasing your income, and you can do it too. I help so many other young people like yourself implement this business model and see visible transformation in their finances. If you want to learn more about my business model, then check out my Make More Money web class where I basically break down in more detail how you can practically implement this hybrid business model and unlock financial freedom for yourself. If you got any value from this video, kindly hit that subscribe button down below, and you can also check out this video right here. See you there.